Welcome back. A man from Tennessee was on a ventilator for more than 90 days, but his wife didn't lose hope. He was in a medically induced coma. Still, she wrote letters to him every day. Chris Yu explains how one couple got through COVID-19.
For Mike Dial, just getting up is a challenge. And every step, a chore.
Short on breath.
But with the support of his physical therapist and the support of his wife, Trish,
how far God has got him.
Mike is making miraculous progress.
She probably thought I'd never walk again.
After spending 3 months in the hospital battling COVID.
I took his story to Facebook and I put out a prayer request, and instantly there were over 2,700 prayers going up for him.
Mike was diagnosed with COVID-19 on August 18th. He was then put on a ventilator before being transferred to a hospital in Memphis. There, he remained on the ventilator for 95 days while also in a medically induced coma.
They told me that he had a 55% chance of survival.
In addition, he suffered a brain bleed.
I saw a lifeless body, and I knew it was my husband, and I just had to have faith that he would come back.
Despite Mike being unconscious, Trish wrote letters to him every day.
I pray that you see Jesus while you're there. I know you have 100 angels surrounding your bed.
Letting him know even though she couldn't visit, she was always beside him.
She gave me the best support. I'm glad she was there and everything. And when I came to, like I say, she'd been talking to me for a while. And I'm telling you, I got to thinking back as I'm lucky to be here.
And while Mike was on a ventilator, Trish also made a video featuring their 3 grandkids and other family members. She says the hospital staff then played the video over and over, and Mike started responding to it. And CVS Health plans to buy special bonuses to about 200,000 employees to reward them for their work during the pandemic. The bonuses of $250 are for both full and part-time workers. The drugstore chain has played a big role in providing access to COVID testing and will soon start administering vaccines to nursing homes and other long-term care facilities across the country. And finally, a new study finds fewer children are getting measles vaccines during the COVID pandemic. Researchers looked at infant immunization rates beginning in March. There was a 10% drop in the number of vaccinated children. There's been a resurgence of measles outbreaks in the U.S.